Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm testing this Natural Instinct hair dye in shade number 5R Cinnaberry. It is ammonia and paraben free and it is a semi-permanent hair dye. I was looking something more natural for my hair, and this does claim that it is 80% natural. Which is good, I guess. I did try henna, which we call mehendi. I didn't like the results, so I wanted more like a hair dye. I heard some mixed reviews about this hair dye, but I still want to give it a try. So yeah, let's do it.
So this is how my hair looks right now before the color. It does have little bit orangish tint because I used henna before. And yeah, let's see how that color looks on this hair. This all came with this box. It's a number 1. You put it in number 2. You shake it, apply on your hair, keep it for 20 minutes. Wash it, apply the conditioner. It also came with the hand gloves and instructions. It's a normal stuff that comes with the box hair dye.
So I applied this on my forehead, ears, and the areas where color may get. I'm already wearing a black old shirt, so I don't have to worry about that. And I guess I should lay down some dirty. Let's start mixing. I'm using my own hand gloves. I don't like the one they come with. They don't fit right. So we are supposed to add number 1 to number 2. Let's do that. I think it's mixed enough. I divided my hair already. I'm starting with the bottom. I am not going to color my roots, I think. It says it doesn't have ammonia or parabens, but still my eyes are a little irritated. So I applied everywhere and I'm just massaging now. One of the complaints I read was it's very messy and runny, and yes, I am experiencing that. It's very messy. Okay, so the application is done now. I applied it, I tied my hair. It got all over. It's on my neck, I guess I can feel it. Or maybe not. And then it's all over my floor and my feet. Maybe I'm very messy, or just this color is very messy. Maybe I'm very messy. So now I'm just gonna wipe off the extra that is on my neck, because it did colored my toe in few seconds. Now my toe is purple, and if you can see here also there was color and it's stained it. I mean, that's not a complaint. Any hair dye will do that. I'm just saying. That's normal. 20 minutes are over, and now let's go wash this. This is how my hair look right now after washing it. It took forever to get the product out of my hair in the shower. I don't see much difference right now in the hair color, but I think it's dark outside. And tomorrow I will check it in the sunlight. Maybe I will see the difference. And yeah, let's see then. I dyed my hair 2 days ago and I washed it this morning. I didn't see any hair color coming off, but my hair felt very rough while washing. This is how it looks in a daylight. I think it's more darker than what it was. My hair color was little lighter than this, but it has a reddish tone in it, and I think I like it. What do you think, Caleb?
It's nice.
Yeah, I think it's a nice hair color. I don't know why I felt that roughness in my hair while washing, but other than that, I don't see any hair loss or anything. So it's a good hair color.